Welcome to the van, guys. So today Tamara and I went and bought a new little gadget and we thought we'd do an unboxing because we've never done one of those, and this thing is brand new, just came out, the GoPro Hero 9. We decided to go for this because it just seemed like with its features and the price, it was only $5.99 Australian on special. We just thought it was totally worth it, and we thought we'd do an unboxing and maybe some of you guys want to buy it also. So here it is in its flashy packaging, and what is cool straight away is you'll notice it comes in this case, which is pretty awesome because the Hero 8 didn't come in a case, and we were looking at that, but there was like 539 or 599, and this one's like 20 megapixel instead of 12, so which one are you going to go for? So here we have the case. Inside the case straight away is the GoPro and some accessories there. Comes with charging cable, sticky on thing, one of those adapters for that, and that to connect it to the GoPro. We've also got subscribe to GoPro, some stickers and some basic instructions, and the whole booklet with all the instructions in many different languages by the looks of it. And the GoPro, here it is. It looks pretty awesome and wrapped in some plastic. Hope that's biodegradable. They say here on this thing that it's recycled, so I highly doubt that's biodegradable plastic though. But anyway, here it is. So you've got the GoPro here, and what's cool about this one is it has an actual screen on the front and on the back, so if you're doing some selfie stuff you can actually see yourself, which makes this thing an actual vlogging cam. And I know there are some attachments you can get, another microphone, whatever, but you know, with this image stabilization in that, and yeah, the size of this, it's probably an awesome vlogging camera as is. You've got the things that come down like that, so you don't need to put this one in a case, which is pretty awesome, and it can go down to 10 meters, I think. Yep, 33 feet, 10 meters water resistant, so that's amazing. So we want to take this scuba diving. So the battery was actually outside, but I quickly put it in before the video. Don't tell anyone, because I was charging it. So battery and SD card slot there, and then a USB-C that closes like that. You've got the power button on the side, hold it in, there you go, the classic GoPro beeps, and it's on. And if you look in there, you can see Tamar filming us in the van, I guess. Pretty cool. And then this way, awesome. It looks really wide, the lens. And actually that's one thing I saw about this, that this lens, it says it has interchangeable lenses. I saw there's some super duper wide lens you can get for it. So that sounds pretty interesting. Haven't looked into all the add-ons for it, but seems like an awesome camera. We have to get out here and do some footage. It's actually super wide. Like, we're shooting there on the GH5 with the 8 to 18 millimeter lens, which was my birthday present not so long ago. But I think this is like as wide or wider. Let's, yeah.